Hello friends, welcome back. So in our previous session we have briefly discussed about the entire MSME sector, that is medium, small and micro enterprises sector. And in this session we will break through the MSME sector by discussing the basic differences between medium, small and micro enterprises. And we will also discuss about the challenges which our MSME sector is facing in our country, and we will also discuss about some schemes and policies which are for the benefits of our MSME sector. So this entire MSME sector can again be divided into two subsectors, that is one of service sector and another is of manufacturing sector. So when it is about service sector, in micro enterprises, the maximum investment is of about 10 lakh. And in small enterprises, the investment is between 10 lakh to 2 crores. And in medium enterprises, the investment is between 2 crore to 5 crores. And when it is in manufacturing sector, the maximum investment in micro enterprise is of 25 lakh, and in small enterprise is between 25 to 5 crore, and in medium enterprise the investment is between 5 crore to 10 crore. So in this way you can differentiate between micro, small and medium enterprises on the basis of these two subsectors, service and manufacturing sector. So now let's come to the challenges. Like as in our previous session we have discussed that most of our MSME enterprises are under the unorganized sector, and unorganized sector are not being regulated because they are not being established by following the legal procedures, and that's why they are deprived of many government schemes and policies which are being formulated for the benefits of this MSME sector. And in that way they also remain deprived of many latest technology because they don't get support from those institutions, those training institutions which can help them to remain technologically updated, and they can also help them to upgrade their technological skills. So that's why they are deprived of latest skills, skilled manpower. And yes, the main issue, the main problem, the root of the main problem is that most of the MSMEs come under unorganized sector, and from there their all problem starts. And now let's come to some policies and schemes which are for the benefits of the MSME sector. The first one is Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum. This has been formulated to enhance the ease of doing business in MSME sector. Next is Revive and Rehabilitation. It is a framework, and under this every bank must have a committee which will work, which will take initiatives to rehabilitate, to revamp sick enterprises of MSME sector in order to get them back on the track. Like sometimes many MSMEs suffer due to losses, due to dynamism of market scenario. So in such case, those committees in the banks can help them in many ways, by funding, by giving them ideas that what sort of financial product they must procure which can help them to get back on track. Next is Aspire, a scheme for promotion, innovation and rural entrepreneurship. This scheme was launched in the year 2015 by Government of India. This scheme is to form a network of incubation centers, and those incubation centers will guide and help the MSMEs in terms of technological upgradation, in terms of getting trained for latest skills. It also promotes startups, and it is also for entrepreneurship in agro industries. Next is national manufacturing competitiveness. This is to enhance the competitiveness of MSME market by helping them to be relevant even in global platform, even on global platform. This program helps MSMEs to survive both in domestic and international markets. So that's all for this session, my dear friends. In the next session, we will discuss two caselets like creating value from wheat and creating success through value addition. And please do come prepared. Please go through both the caselets before coming for the next session, in order to make our session an interactive one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.